Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a link to your TikTok bio. So if you want to promote your other social platform that you have in TikTok, for example like Instagram, Lemonade and others, you can easily add the link to it on your profile bio. So first, you just need to copy the link that you want to add to the TikTok bio. For example, in here I'm going to add a link on my Instagram, so you can just copy the link. First you can find your usernames on Instagram. See in here, you can go to your profile and then tap on this share profile button, then go with copy link. After the link has been copied, you can just close the Instagram or any apps that you've copied the link and then open your TikTok apps. Okay, so this is the TikTok apps. Now you just need to head to your profile and then here click on this edit profile and scroll down until you find the social section, and you'll find there are 4 options that you can add the link with. There are Lemonade, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter. So as you guys can see, I've already added my YouTube links in here. So if you want to add another one, for example in this case I'm going to add Instagram, just click on add Instagram. Okay, I don't know why it's error. Let's try again. Okay, I don't know why it doesn't go smoothly. So let's try to add YouTube, for example. In here, since I've already added one, so the current one will be removed. So I'm going to just show you the new way. Here, YouTube, add YouTube. And then here you can just go click on your account that you use for YouTube and then click on continue, and just like that the link will be added into your TikTok. So if you already signed in, for example like YouTube, Twitter, Instagram or Lemonade on your phone, you just need to authorize it. You don't need to copy the link. But if you haven't logged in, then you need to copy the link first and then add it in here. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.